Okay, hi, I'm Jason O'Brien, coming to you from the Lion's Share. I wanted to make a cocktail that any bar in San Diego could make, and that spoke to a sense of San Diego, a sense of what this city is all about. Balboa Park is where we put all of our culture. Usually in a major American city, it's all spread out, and it's very efficient. San Diego took it all and then just moved it all to one place. My first job was in the park, and so that kind of commute to me, the going into the park will always be a distinctly San Diego thing, to everybody probably, but especially to me. So I have a few San Diego things. I've got Henneberry celebrated whiskey made here in San Diego. I've got R&D aromatic No. 7 bitters, locally made, and a little bit of West Coast IPA syrup. It's a beer town and this is a IPA town, and so an IPA syrup was kind of a natural choice. The cocktail is called Local Flavor, and let's make one. First, 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lemon juice, 3/4 of an ounce of IPA syrup. I'm gonna do a San Diego IPA, something local and something very aromatically hoppy. I use the Society Apprentice, just equal parts beer and sugar, and then stir to combine. And then 2 ounces of Henneberry whiskey, and 2 or 3 dashes of R&D aromatic No. 7 bitters. Only the most handsome ice. Strain over fresh ice into a rocks glass, and we garnish with fresh grapefruit peel on top to complement the hop aromas from the beer. Cheers to local flavor in San Diego, Balboa Park, and come have one here at the Lion's Share.